1995 Honda Accord 4-cylinder valve cover gasket how-to. Millimeters. Woo. Pretty much similar to almost all 4-cylinder Accords of this type, or 4-cylinder Hondas, basically. This style valve cover gasket. Pretty much all the Hondas with this type of setup is going to be about the same. These are 10 millimeters. Here there's a ground wire. It's also telling me it's really cold. The ground wire down here with a 10 millimeter bolt. Now it's hot. After you get that off, what you want to do is get you a can of brake cleaner and blow all this out in here. And then get a clean rag and wipe this down and kind of wipe outside so you don't wipe any dirt in. And you want this surface to be nice and dry, as well as in here as well. Because these gaskets that you buy for these things, the Velcro gaskets, are really weird. Sometimes I feel like they're too big, so you really need to have this nice and dry to help it sit in. If you have any trouble areas, you know, you put a little dot of silicone maybe. You don't want to do the whole thing, because then it'll be a pain in the ass if you never have to do it again. Just a dot in, you know, or along dot is all you need to help hold it in. Don't forget to change the tube seals as well. You should be able to pry these out with a flathead screwdriver. It shouldn't be a big issue. Just make sure that all these grooves here are clean, dry. This is here clean and dry before you put it back on. And make sure that it doesn't drop out when you flip it over. Put it back on. And to get these tube seals around the spark plug holes. I normally just take maybe like a little small Phillips or a straight pick or something and just get it in there and then just work it around it one by one going down the line until you get the whole thing all the way around these tube seals. And that's pretty much it. You just put your bolts in. Most of the valve cover gasket kits do come with these. They are a really pain in the ass to get these on and off. If you have trouble with them, you won't be the only one. If they're not messed up or leaking real bad, you don't really have to change them if you don't want to. Or if they're just a pain in the ass to do. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's fairly simple. And just put everything back reverse. Like I said, once you get to these, get it set down on there and get this in there between the tube seal and that, and then just kind of work it around, gently rocking the valve cover around so that it doesn't rip the gasket, and you just want to keep it a little bit of force down until it gets all the way around the list, and then just go one by one down the line until you get them all. Just stick your bolts in, hook everything back up the same way you unhooked it, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.